Guys, Ryan from India Emergency Lighting. We've got a 2017 Dodge Journey today. Down in the grill we've got T3s. We've got Whelen Vertex hideaways in the headlights. We've got a 6-head dash stick in the lower visor, or the lower windshield. We've got a dash light in the upper windshield up top. We've got a Phoenix Cobra minibar, and then out back we've got more Vertexes in the backup lights. So this is something you need, something like it, give us a call. India Emergency Lighting, and always remember, when you need to be seen, see us.